Hey everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Guys, does your child doesn't like to eat potato? Honey, do you love potato?
No.
Do you like potato pizza? After watching this video and making this recipe for them, for sure, they will start loving potato. Wanna know how? Just keep on watching. Guys, first things first is to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then, peel the potatoes, wash them, cut them, slice the potato this way, then wash them again, and soak into salt water for about 5 minutes. Drain them and set them aside. Guys, I'm also going to make a homemade pizza sauce too. So in a pan, pour in some tomato paste, some olive oil or oil of your choice, salt and pepper, and put all the herbs and spices that you have available in your kitchen. For the measurements, just eyeball it guys, you decide. Nothing fancy here guys, your kitchen, your rules. And just give it a mix. And put it on fire for about 2 minutes. And it should simmer like this, and it's done. So now into our baking tray, we're going to arrange the potato and we'll start putting our pizza toppings. I have here of course the sliced potato, our homemade pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, corn, some olives, and I also have here my beef mixture that is left over from my spring rolls recipe episode. Just one day apart guys. Remember, your kitchen, your rules. So I'm just pouring in a little bit of oil into our baking tray, and I'm just going to spread it and brush it all over so that no potatoes will going to stick. And here's the next step that we're going to do. Place all the sliced potatoes in the tray and start putting our pizza toppings. So this will go to our preheated oven for 15 minutes. After that, broil it for another 5 minutes. So here's my homemade potato pizza that surely your kids will enjoy. In this way, your child will love eating potato. Guys, if you like this recipe of mine, just give me a thumbs up, share this video to your family and friends, leave a comment down below, and click the notification bell so that you're always updated every time I upload. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like what I always say, guys, life is beautiful. Keep on smiling. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.